Hello everyone, this is a video for my 3 daily habits. I woke up at a half past 5 in the morning. After I waking up, I immediately rush to take a shower and get ready to go campus. Before going campus, I took the time to have a breakfast. You have don't forget to have a breakfast too. After making sure nothing was left behind, I immediately rushed to go to campus. I left for campus at around 5 past 8. When I arrived at campus, I immediately rushed to the canteen to meet some of my friends to discuss assignment. After finished discussing our assignment, we went straight into the classroom because the lesson was about to start. After finishing class, I didn't immediately rush to home because I had to do some assignment. After doing my assignment, I immediately went home because honestly, I was really little tired. I got home at 3 o'clock. After that, I took the time to review the material studied in the class. Okay, everyone, that's all the video from me. Take the positive and throw away the negative. That's all from me. See you.